Hey guys, this is our breakdown for the day. We've got 10 minutes of rolling, then we've got 3 minutes of cardio. After that, you're gonna do a 60-foot heel walk. Remember, that's where you lift your toes up and you walk 60 feet, trying not to let your toes touch the ground. After you get done with that, you've got the inchworms. Bend down to the front, walk your hands out as far as you can get into that upper plank push-up position. Drive your heels down and your hips up. Inch your hands back towards your feet and repeat that. After you've done 10 of those, you've got 10 dumbbell rows. You're gonna pull back and squeeze. Repeat that for 10 reps. Then you're gonna let your arms hang and do 10 scap rows. You're just gonna move your shoulder blades, but not your arms. You don't bend your elbows. And you're trying to go back, not just up to your ears. You're trying to shrug backwards. We're trying to move the shoulder blades without moving the elbow, without bending the elbow. After you finish those, you then go into your EMOM. Your EMOM is going to be 8 rounds of bent over row. You can use a barbell or a dumbbell on this one. Underhand grip. You're going to go here, pull it back and squeeze, bring it down, pull it back and squeeze. You'll repeat that for 9 reps for all 8 rounds. You'll record your heaviest weight. If you don't have weights that you can go up in weight, just add a rep every round so that you're getting more resistance as you go. Then you get into the main WOD today. This is 21-15-9. You have 4 movements. On those 4 movements, you're going to do 21 of all 4 of them, then 15 of each and 9 of each. Movement number 1 is going to be a push press. You're going to use dumbbells here, unless you have a barbell and you want to use that. This one's a small dip of the legs and then press. Small dip and press. Dip and press. After you finish those 21, you're going to go into a bent over fly. Not a row, a fly. Arms are going to come out to the side. Down to here, out to the side. You're going to repeat that for 21. Then you've got 21 push-ups. Then you have 21 curls. You're going to curl that all the way up. Curl it all the way up. Repeat that for 21. After that, you go through all those 4 movements for 15 reps each. Go through all 4 for 9 reps each. Check your clock. Anyway, have a good time with it. We'll catch you on the next one.